Ukraine accuses Russia of crimes against humanity for blocking the transport of medication into Ukraine. Ukraine alleges crimes against humanity against Russia for blocking medication transport into the country. Ukraine's health minister has accused Russian authorities of committing a crime against humanity by blocking access to affordable medicines in areas its forces have occupied since invading the country 5.5 months ago. In an interview with the Associated Press, Ukrainian Health Minister Viktor Lashko said Russian authorities repeatedly have blocked efforts to provide states subsidized drugs to people in occupied cities, towns, and villages. Throughout the entire 6 months of war, Russia has not allowed proper humanitarian corridors so we could provide our own medicines to the patients that need them, Lashko said, speaking at the Health Ministry in Kyiv later Friday. We believe that these actions are being taken with intent by Russia, and we consider them to be crimes against humanity and war crimes that will be documented and will be recognized, the minister said. The Ukrainian government has a program that provides medications to people with cancer and chronic health conditions. The destruction of hospitals and infrastructure, along with the displacement of an estimated 7 million people inside the country, also have interfered with other forms of treatment, according to United Nations and Ukrainian officials. The war in Ukraine has caused severe disruptions to the country's state-run health service, which was undergoing major reforms, largely in response to the coronavirus pandemic, when Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered his troops to invade on February 24th. The World Health Organization said it recorded 445 attacks on hospitals and other health care facilities as of August 11th that directly resulted in 86 deaths and 105 injuries. But Lashko said the secondary effects were far more severe. When roads and bridges have been damaged in areas now controlled by the Ukrainian forces, it is difficult to get someone who had a heart attack or a stroke to the hospital, he said. Sometimes we can't make it in time. The ambulance can't get there in time. That's why war causes many more casualties than those killed in the fighting. It's a number that cannot be calculated.